Legal dictation, exercise 61. Ready, start. It, it appears that during the investigation the appellants were arrested, and it is alleged that from their possession some stolen articles recovered. It then appears that test identification parade held in the premises of District Jail, Bahraich, where appellants were identified by the witnesses including PW-1, 2, 3 and 4. It further appears that stolen articles, recovered from the possession of appellants, were also put on test identification parade, and the same were identified by the witnesses. The police, after completing the investigation, submitted charge sheet against all the appellants under section 396 and 412 of the Indian Penal Code. On the basis of aforesaid charge sheet, a learned magistrate took cognizance of the offence and later on committed the case to the Court of Sessions as the offence under section 396 and 412 of the IPC are exclusively triable by the Court of Sessions. Therefore, the charges framed against the appellants under section 396 and 412 of the IPC and the same were explained to them, to which they pleaded not guilty and claimed to be tried. Thereafter, the prosecution exclaimed altogether 7 witnesses, out of whom PW-1 and PW-2 are witnesses of fact, and they claimed that they identified the appellants during the test identification parade held in jail premises as they were the persons concerned who committed dacoity. PW-5 is the executive magistrate in whose supervision test identification parade held in the district jail, Bahraich. PW-6 is the investigation officer, whereas PW-7 is the police constable who took the appellants to the Bahraich jail after their remand. The prosecution also brought on the record various documentary evidence. Para. It appears that after considering the arguments and evidences on the record, the learned court concluded that the appellants had committed dacoity in the house of informant and other villagers, in which one person has died, therefore, appellants committed the offence under section 396 of the IPC, thus convicted the appellants for the said offence. However, since the appellants have been convicted under section 396 of the IPC, therefore, learned court below not convicted them under section 412 of the IPC. The learned trial court sentenced all the appellants to undergo imprisonment for life. Stop.